Welcome to another conversation episode. This will help you to learn and practice speaking English. So watch this video till the end and practice with me. Hey Jack, do you finish your homework?
Mom, I have been feeling a bit overwhelmed with my schoolwork lately. Do you have any tips on how to stay focused and organized?
Of course, sweetheart. One helpful strategy is to create a study schedule. Set aside specific times each day for studying different subjects, and stick to it as much as possible.
That sounds like a good idea. I often find myself procrastinating and then rushing to finish assignments at the last minute.
It's natural to feel overwhelmed sometimes, but breaking down your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks can make them seem less daunting. Try setting short-term goals for yourself and rewarding yourself when you achieve them.
That makes sense. I will try to be more disciplined with my time and prioritize my assignments better.
Additionally, make sure to create a designated study space that's free from distractions, like your bedroom or a quiet corner of the house. Having a dedicated space for studying can help you concentrate better.
I will clean up my desk and make it a conducive environment for studying. Thanks for the advice, Mom. I feel more confident about managing my schoolwork now.
You're welcome, dear. Remember, I'm here to support you every step of the way. If you ever need help or just someone to talk to, don't hesitate to reach out to me.
Mom, I also struggle with staying motivated when I am studying. Sometimes it feels like I am not making any progress, and I just want to give up.
I understand, sweetie. It's normal to feel demotivated at times, especially when faced with challenging tasks. One thing that might help is setting specific goals for yourself and reminding yourself of the reasons why you're studying in the first place.
That's a good point. I often forget why I am doing all this hard work in the first place.
Exactly. Whether it's getting good grades to pursue your dream career or simply wanting to learn and grow as a person, keeping your goals in mind can help you stay focused and motivated.
I will try to keep my goals in mind whenever I start to feel discouraged. It might help me push through those tough moments.
Another thing you can do is find study techniques that work best for you, whether it's making flashcards, summarizing notes, or teaching the material to someone else. Experimenting with different methods can make studying more engaging and effective.
That's a great idea. I will try out different study techniques and see which ones help me retain information better.
And remember, it's okay to take breaks when you need them. Don't be too hard on yourself if you're not studying every minute of the day. Giving yourself time to rest and recharge is just as important as studying hard.
Thanks, Mom. I will keep all that in mind. Your support and advice mean a lot to me.
I'm always here for you, sweetheart. You can do anything you set your mind to, and I believe in you wholeheartedly. Now, let's tackle those study sessions together.
Good morning, sweetie. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Mom. Yeah, I slept okay, just a bit tired.
Well, I hope you feel better after breakfast. What would you like to eat?
Pancakes, please, with maple syrup, if we have some.
Sure thing. Pancakes it is. Have you finished your homework for today?
Almost done. Just need to finish up math. Can you help me if I get stuck?
Of course. I'll be happy to help. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Thanks, Mom. Hey, did you see the weather forecast for today?
Yes, it's supposed to be sunny. Perfect for a bike ride. Would you like to go to the park later?
Yeah, that sounds fun. Can we bring snacks?
Absolutely. We'll pack some sandwiches and fruits. It'll be a nice little picnic.
Awesome. Thanks, Mom. You're the best.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Now, finish up your homework so we can enjoy our day together. How was your day at school, honey?
It was good, Mom. We had a science experiment in class today. We made a volcano.
That sounds exciting. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was so cool to see the eruption. But I got a bit messy with the baking soda and vinegar.
Oh no! Did you get it all over yourself?
Yeah, a little bit, but it was worth it. Can we do more experiments at home sometime?
Definitely. We can find some fun and safe experiments to try together on the weekend.
Yeah, I can't wait. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetie. Now, let's get you cleaned up before dinner. While you clean up, I'll start preparing dinner. How does spaghetti sound tonight?
Spaghetti sounds great. Can we have garlic bread too?
Sure thing. Garlic bread it is. Did you have any trouble with any subjects today?
Math was a bit tricky, but my friend helped me understand it better during recess.
That's wonderful. It's great to have friends who can help out. Just remember to pay attention in class too, alright?
I will, Mom. Thanks for reminding me. Hey, can we watch a movie after dinner?
Sure. That sounds like a nice way to relax together. Do you have a movie in mind?
How about that new animated one we saw the trailer for? It looked really funny.
Sounds like a plan. We'll make some popcorn and have a cozy movie night.
Awesome. I can't wait. Thanks again, Mom.
Anything for you, sweetheart. Now, let's finish up here and enjoy our evening together. Sweetie, I've been thinking about our summer vacation. Do you have any ideas on where you'd like to go?
I have not really thought about it yet. Maybe we could go camping?
Camping sounds like fun. We could go hiking, roast marshmallows by the campfire, and stargaze at night.
Yeah, that sounds amazing. Can we also go fishing?
Of course, we'll pack our fishing gear and spend some time by the lake. Do you want to invite any friends along?
Yeah, that would be awesome. I will ask my friends if they want to come with us.
Great idea! We can plan some outdoor activities together and make unforgettable memories.
I can't wait, Mom. When are we going?
How about during the summer break? We'll have plenty of time to relax and enjoy nature.
That sounds perfect. I am already looking forward to it.
Me too, sweetheart. It's going to be an adventure we'll cherish forever. Now, let's finish dinner and start making our camping plans.
Before we get too excited about our camping trip, we need to make a list of things to pack. What do you think we should bring?
Well, we definitely need a tent, sleeping bags, and some warm clothes in case it gets chilly at night.
Good thinking. We'll also need cooking supplies, like a portable stove and utensils, to prepare our meals.
And don't forget the bug spray. I don't want to get bitten by mosquitoes.
Absolutely. Bug spray is a must-have. We'll also bring some board games and books for entertainment.
Can we bring our bikes too? It would be fun to ride around the campsite.
That's a fantastic idea. We'll strap them to the car and take them with us. Anything else you can think of?
Maybe a first aid kit, just in case someone gets a scrap or a minor injury.
Excellent suggestion. Safety first. We'll make sure to pack a fully stocked first aid kit. All right, let's start gathering everything we need for our camping adventure.
Yeah, this is going to be the best vacation ever, Mom.
While we're on our camping trip, we can also do some exploring. There might be hiking trails or beautiful nature spots nearby.
Yeah, I heard there's a waterfall not too far from the campsite. Can we hike there?
Definitely. Exploring nature trails and discovering new sights will be an exciting part of our adventure.
I can't wait to take pictures of all the cool stuff we will see. Maybe we can make a scrapbook when we get back home.
That's a wonderful idea. We can document our camping trip with photos and souvenirs to remember the special moments we shared together.